Okay, next subtopic, cubes and cube roots. Okay, the definition of cube. The cube of a number is the number multiplied by itself twice and vice versa. For example, if the number repeat 3 times, that means the number times twice the number itself. That means 2 times 2 times 2, you get 2 cube. 2 cube, or you can read as the 2 power of 2, okay, or the cube of 2. Okay, so if for example, if a variable a times a equal to a cube, okay, we have expanded form and cube notation. Okay, same like square. Okay, you can refer here. If the number in expanded form f5, 5, so expanded form 5 times 5 times 5, and the cube notation 5 cube. Okay, you just write cube notation 5 cube. If negative 5, write in bracket negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5, you get negative 5 cube. 0.5 also, 0.5 times 0.5 times 0.5, you get 0.5 cube. And 1 over 5 times 1 over 5 times 1 over 5, you get 1 over 5 cube. Okay, so you must understand the definition of expanded form and cube notation. Okay. Okay, next, you can refer the notes in at page 43 workbook. Okay, perfect cube, okay, means a number that can be stated as the cube of a whole number. Fraction and decimal are not perfect cubes. Okay, so how to check either the value perfect cube or not? You can use the same like square. You learn to check the that one perfect square or not. You can use factorization or repeated division. Okay, same like that. In your workbook, show how to identify the value is a perfect cube. So the book give you example, use the factorization method. So you can change, you can use repeated division. Okay, after that I show you how to use repeated division for 64 and 45. Okay, if you can group into 3 identical group, for example 64, you can group into 2 times 2, 2 times 2, 2 times 2, you can group into 3 identical group. That one we call perfect cube. If you cannot group for 45 equal to 5 times 3 times 3, that one you cannot group into 3 identical group. Identical means same group, so that one not perfect cube. Okay, you must understand this. Okay, now I give you example how to check the value perfect cube or not. Okay, so you can use factorization method. Factorization method, the example same like workbook page 43. You can refer module PDPC. Okay, now I show you another method. You can use repeated division that you learn in from chapter 2. Okay, you repeatedly divide until you get 1. For example, 64. But must use prime number only. Okay, because this one prime factorization. Okay, so 64 divide 2, you get 32. Divide 2, you get 16. Divide 2, you get 8. Divide 2, you get 4. Divide 2, you get 2. And divide 2 again, you get 1. You must use prime number only here. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 7, and so on, all prime number. Okay, then you have to divide until you get 1, and then you can group 64 equal to, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, you're right, lady. Okay, then you because this one perfect cube. Okay, previous lesson you learn perfect square. Now it is perfect cube. Okay, perfect cube means power of 3. The number repeat 3 times. Okay, so if here you must group into 3 identical group. Okay, so you group like this, 1, 2, 3. If you cannot group into same group like this, that one not perfect cube. Now you can group, right? So automatic you know this answer. 64 is a perfect cube. Okay, yes, this one perfect cube, because you can group into 3 identical or same group. Okay, the definite identical same meaning with same. Identical same means same. Okay, so you can group into 3 identical group. So So yes, this one perfect cube. Okay, how about 45? Okay, 45 you can also use repeated division. Okay, you can use, okay, start divide with, okay, 45 can divide 5. You must use prime number only. Okay, 45 divide 5 you get 9. Okay, then divide prime number 3 can, 9 divide 3 get 3, and then divide until you get 1, and then you can write 45 equal to 3 times 3 times 5. Okay, now here 3, 3, 5. You cannot group into same group. So this one not perfect square. Automatically you know this one not perfect square. Okay, so not perfect. Sorry, not perfect square. Not perfect cube. Sorry, this one cube. Okay, you cannot group into 3 identical. So this one not perfect cube. Okay, so this one how you want to check either the value perfect cube or not. Okay, you use prime factorization method. Okay, prime factorization you can use either factor 3 method or repeated division like this. Okay, now I want to show you perfect cube. Okay. Okay, you can memorize the perfect cube from 1 cube until 10 cube also can. Okay, so cube means start with 1. Okay, 1. Okay, 1 is perfect cube and also perfect square. Okay, so start with 1 cube equal to 1 times 1 times 1, you get 1. So this one perfect cubes. Okay, then 2 cube equal to 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. So this one we call perfect cube. Okay, then 3 cube equal to 3 times 3 times 3. So you get 27. Okay, this one perfect cube. Okay, then we have 4 cube. 4 times 4 times 4. Okay, 4 times 4 times 4, you get 64. So this one perfect cube. Okay, you must memorize this. Okay, 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64. 5 cube means 5 times 5 times 5. You get 125. Okay, remember this. Okay, 5 cube 125. 6 cube. Okay, 6 cube. 6 times 6 times 6. You get 216. Memorize this. Okay, 216. So we have 7 cube. 7 times 7 times 7. You get 343. Okay, memorize this. Okay, you must memorize 1 until 10. Okay, 1 until 10. And then we have, after 7 cube, we have 6 cube. 6 times, 8 cube. So 8 times 8 times 8. Okay, 8 times 8 times 8, you get 512. Okay, perfect cube. 512 perfect cube. And then 9 cube. 9 times 9 times 9. Okay, 9 times 9 times 9, you get 729 perfect cube. And easy, this one the most easy. 10 times 10 times 10, you get 1000. So that one perfect cube. Okay, so you can memorize 1 cube until 10 cube. Okay, and then the value that I circle is we call perfect cube. So you can remember this. Okay, this one we call perfect cube. Okay, because 1 cube means 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, 6 cube 216, 7 cube 343, 8 cube 512, 9 cube 729, 10 cube 1000. Okay, for perfect cube you can memorize 1 cube until 10 cube, but for perfect square must memorize 1 square until 25 square. Okay, even though you can use calculator, you must memorize this. So easy to solve any equation related to the square and cube. Okay, Haga continue. Okay, cube and cube root. Okay, start with cube first. Okay, just now I explained about the cube notation and expanded form. The question asks you to complete the bridge map. So you just write how to write in the form of cube notation. For -7 times -7 times -7, you just write the cube notation for this. Cube notation for this, just write -7 cube. Okay, just like that. 0.9 times 0.9 times 0.9, so equal to bracket 0.9 cube. Okay, this one we call cube notation. 3/8 times 3/8 times 3/8, this one expanded form. And how to write the cube notation? If involve decimal, negative value and fraction, you open bracket. 3/8 cube. Okay, so you can complete the bridge map, page 43. Okay, now the question asks you to circle the perfect cube. Okay, page 43. Just now I explained the perfect cube. You can refer back the perfect cube that I write. Okay, this one. 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216, 343, 512, 729 and 1000. So you just circle which one the value perfect cube. Okay, start with we have 8 equal to 2 cube, right? So we have 8, 27 equal to 3 cube, 3 times 3 times 3. And then we have 64 equal to 4 times 4 times 4. So this one perfect cube. And then we have 343, okay, 729, 512. Okay, so okay, that's all, no more. Okay, next, page 44. Okay, page 44, complete the following. Okay, so the concept seem like the square, okay, and square root, but this one cube. So cube and cube root. If 0.7 times 0.7 times 0.7, you get 0.343. When if you cube root 0.343, you will get this back, 0.7 times 0.7, okay, 0.7 times 0.7 times 0.7, and then you will get the answer only 0.7, because you remember the concept like before, if the square root meet with the square, you can cancel the square and square root, right? Now cube, this one cube root and cube, because 0.7 you have 1 2 3, that means 0.7 cube, right? Now you can cut this and this, so you will get 0.7 only. Okay, next, -2/5 cube equal to -8/125. So cube root, okay, cube root -8/125 equal to -2/5 cube. Okay, that's mean -2/5 times -2/5 times -2/5. And then this one, the cube root and cube, you can cancel this. You cancel this. So the answer just -2/5. Okay, finish. So this one the answer for page 44. Okay, page 44, your workbook. Okay, page 44A, 3A, and then 3B. Okay, next question, question 4. Find the cube value of the following without using calculator. Okay, without using calculator means you already memorized the perfect cube. Okay, so easy to write the answer. Then you have to show your working. If 4 cube means 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 times 4, you get 64. Okay, like that. Okay, -8 also. Okay, negative. Okay, when -8 times -8, you get positive 64, right? And then positive times negative, you will get negative value. Okay, when the negative value, you cube the value, you will get negative answer. So negative 8 times negative 8 times negative 8, you will get negative 512. Okay, negative. Okay, when you cube the negative value, the answer must be negative, always negative for cube. Square always positive, but the cube always negative if you cube the negative value. Okay, 0.6. Okay, 0.6 cube equal to 0.6 times 0.6 times 0.6. Okay, you know that if 6 cube equal to 116, right? But this one involve 0.6, so the answer 0.216. Okay, and then 2 over 9 cube equal to 2 over 9 times 2 over 9 times 2 over 9. Okay, you know that 2 times 2 times 2, 2 cube equal to 8. 9 times 9 times 9, you get 729. Okay, finish for question 4, page 44. Okay, this one the working for without using calculator. Okay, next question. Find the cube value of the following by using calculator. Okay, now by using calculator. Okay, so you can use calculator. Just press your calculator to solve. Okay, 31. Okay, start with 31. Okay, press 31. Okay, like this, 31. And then find cube. Okay, this one cube here. So you must press shift first. The yellow, you must press shift. If you want to press the red one, you must press alpha. So now your cube here. Okay, so shift and this. Okay, you get cube. So equal to 29,791. Here write the answer, 29,791. Okay. Okay, you get this answer for 31 cube. Next, we have negative 75 cube. Okay, bracket. Okay, negative you must bracket to avoid the wrong answer. Must, okay, always bracket if negative value. Negative 75, close bracket, and then press shift and this one cube. Okay, you get this. Negative 75 cube equal to negative 421,875. Okay, just write the value. Negative 421,875. Okay. Next, negative 8.6 cube. Okay. Open bracket. Negative 8.6 cube. Okay, shift, and this. Okay. Okay, so you get. Okay, so you can change to mixed number, shift SD. Okay, shift SD, or you can give the answer in decimal also can. Like this. Okay, just write negative 636.056. Okay. Next, press the calculator. 31 over 7. Okay, open bracket, and then this one 31, and then press down the arrow. 7, 31 over 7, close bracket, and cube, shift, cube. Okay, equal to this one. You can change to decimal. The answer can decimal or fraction. If too long, you can change to mixed number. Shift and SD here. Okay, you can write this answer also. Both can. Decimal can, fraction can. 86,293 over 343. Okay, so this one the answer. If the question asks you using the calculator, you just press the calculator. And remember, if negative value, fraction and fraction value, you must open bracket when you press the calculator. Okay, next question, page 45. Okay, given 1,728 equal to 2 cube times 6 cube. Find cube root 1728 without using calculator. Okay, you can find without using calculator. Okay, this after, but make sure you memorize the perfect cube. Okay, that one important. Okay, but this one simple. Okay, look, find cube root 1728. Okay, first step, okay, you copy. Okay, you know that cube root 1728 equal 2 cube times 6 cube, right? So the question want to find cube root 1728. So you must cube this one. Okay, you must cube root this. So you cube root 2 cube times 6 cube. Okay, and then you can write separately cube root 2 cube times cube root 6 cube. Okay, then when cube root and cube meet, you can cancel like this. Cancel. Okay, so equal to 2 times 6. And then your final answer, 2 times 6, you get 12. Okay. So to check your answer correct or not, okay, you can try cube root. If you want to press cube root, you must shift. Okay, shift and this cube root. Okay, you press 1728. Okay, this check. Okay, look, the answer equal to 12. Okay, the answer equal to 12. So finish for question 6, page 45. Okay, next question. Okay, find the cube root 729 by using the method of prime factorization. Okay, so okay, I use a repeated. You can use repeated division or factor 3. Depend on you which one you like. Okay, if I choose repeated division. I will use prime number and divide until you get one. Until you get one. Okay, so start with the smallest prime number. If 2 cannot, you choose 3. 729 divide 3, you get 243. And then can divide 3 again. 243 divide 3, you get 81. Okay, can, and then divide again by 3. 81 divide 3, you get 27. And divide 3 again. 27 divide by 3, you get 9. 9 divide 3, you get 3. Okay, divide until you get 1. Okay, divide until you get 1. So you get 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Then you can write 729 equal to, okay, 6 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, then you group into 3 identical group. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 times 3, you get 9 times 3 times 3, 9 times 3 times 3, 9. Okay, so you have 3 cube, right? 3 numbers, so 9 cube. So 9 cube. So the question want to find cube root. Cube root 729. So if cube root 729, okay, cube, this one cube root, equal to, you must cube root this. Okay, when you cube root at your left, you cube root, you must cube at your right. Okay, like that. Okay, so you remember when cube root 729 equal to, okay, when cube root meet with the cube, okay, cube root with cube. If square root meet with the square, you can cancel. If cube root meet with the cube, you can cancel this. So become 9 only. Okay, so it's not your final answer for this question. Okay, question 7, page 45. Okay, page 45. Okay, method of prime factorization. Okay, this one prime factorization method. Okay, last one I want to discuss about determine the cube root without using calculator at page 45. Okay, so if you already memorized the perfect cube, easy to solve this question. Okay, so you can write, okay, 1 cube, 1, 2 cube, okay, 2 cube equal to 8, 3 cube, 27, 4 cube, 64, 5 cube, 125, 6 cube, 216, okay, 7 cube, 343. Okay, you memorize until 10. Okay, enough. Okay, 7. But if you not memorize, if you cannot bring calculator, it is difficult. Okay, difficult to solve. But if the exam you can bring calculator, so easy, no problem. If not memorize, but better you memorize. Okay, so if you memorize the perfect cube, easy to solve question like this one. Okay, without using calculator, 0.216. Okay, find the value, the perfect cube of 216. So the value of 216 here, okay, that means 6. Okay, but 6 times 6 times 6, 216. But here we have 0.216. That means, okay, cube root. Okay, cube root 0.6 times 0.6 times 0.6. Okay. Okay, you put 0. And then cube root 0.6 cube. Okay, remember, if cube root and cube, you can cancel like this. So the answer just 0.6. Okay. Then here, 1728. Okay, and 3375. Okay, so 1728. Okay, you can write separately like this. Cube root of 1728 over cube root 3375. Okay, 1728 equal to 12. Okay, 12 times 12 times 12. Okay, 12 times 12 times 12. So you get 1728. 3375 equal to 15. Okay, perfect cube, you can remember until 15 cube. Okay, usually the question will ask until 15 cube lah. I think 15 cube. Okay, better you memorize until 15 cube. Okay, then copy back this one. Okay, so this one, cube root 12 over 15. Okay, 12 over 15 cube. Okay, so if cube root and cube, you can cancel. So the answer here 12 over 15. Okay, that only. Okay, but this one you can simplify. Okay, this one not your final answer because you can simplify. 12 over 15. Okay, divide by 3, you get 4 over 5. Okay, 4 over 5. Okay, this is your final answer for question here, E and B. Okay, next question, question C. Okay, if the question involve mixed number like this, you have to change to improper fraction. Okay, negative 1 times 343 plus, okay, negative, okay, 1. So the answer here also negative. So 1 times 343 plus 169, you get 512 over 343. Okay, 512 equal to 8 times 8 times 8, right? 8 times 8 times 8, 8 cube equal to 512. So here negative, okay, so you must write the negative. No, you cannot write 8 only, you must write negative 8 times negative 8, 8 times negative 8 times negative 8 over, okay, 343 equal to 7 times 7 times 7. Okay, 7 times 7 times 7, you get 343. So here 7 times 7 times 7. Okay, 7 times 7 times 7, you get 343. Negative 8 times negative 8 times negative 8, you get negative 512. Okay, now you can write in the form like this. Okay, here repeat negative 8 over 7. Repeat 3 times negative 8 over 7. So you can write negative 8 over 7 cube. Okay, so you can simplify this one. Cube root meet with the cube and cut this. So your final answer just negative 8 over 7. Okay, so you get negative 8 over 7. Okay, finish. This one the working for question C, page 45. Okay, so you have to complete until page 45. Next page, okay, for the problem solving, estimation of the cube root, and then the combination of the square and cube root, we will continue on the next lesson. Okay, when the school open, I will continue and recall back, okay, what you have learned in form 1. Okay, bye.